Chale industry ni jana na so pa. Nanso minim say ayaban o, say stakeholder bi o, projects are ekoso now in the Ghana movie industry no. Ano odin. Ti say me no ka say chinchine atwan. O hye konongo inwura baabi anansi Crofin village. Ena o twa Katumba. Enti me ka chi aban ne say, nse omo ankasa enkono nkomo nko sponsor. Na yem build sa Crofin villages no. Kojo kasa le wen e wo 1. Chinchine atwan e wo bi. Hwe kojo kasa le wen adwuma a oye. Oye adwuma. Hey, you see the story of Burkina Faso, the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore. Shabu costume, Kojon Kasalewe Aye. The young producers on Barcomonia break watching penny for no. Abana Kasano, you who support or demand the movie industry. Kojon Kasalewe. And some of Ghana Hano, what's how do Burkina Faso?
Your friend Poleeno, the only app I open say the send this car Eco Ghana now UK or Canada or US. Germany, Netherlands, or Italy, or Ireland, or Spain. The catch also download the Lemfi nefa send this car ebusuya for wherever you find yourself. Lemfi say or download there. What mean the send this car ebusuya for instant or send the next no akoka or more inside or bank account and as mobile money. Or download the app on now the send this car or watch DB out the amount. Kai so be use promo code Poleeno Poleeno abra obi bisa say referral code no. Yes, and we use na say o send this car £50 ekwa omo ebecha £10. So na US and Canada so now send above $100 or becha $20 or Europe countries to say Germany, Netherlands, Spain, Italy and they can na. And also send me €50 Lemfi say becha €15 cashback. Pay now per day. O send this one Lemfi say yento he bank and say mobile money so Lemfi is secure and reliable. Rate no so check all the other apps. I download the Play Store and iOS Lemfi umpewe na opede. Download the Lemfi na kai say Poleeno me na me ka chiro.
All right, here Chobia about Poleeno Multimedia and the name still remains the Fresh Boy Papa J. And as we share Bible bon komo kakra, wonu say me nko me ba say dia na say bibi ha me ankasa personally. Ma observe niam bi ekoso industry ni ma. We need to applaud some people and we need to call some people to order to whom it may concern. We to whom it may concern. And a letter to whom it may concern. We should name the come on, but wow, officer they will come on. Now why they will pay attention to some and me person make. But before some come in seven, or Canada, or UK, or USA, or Germany, or France, or Italy, or Portugal, Ireland, Spain. Now person send this car Edinburgh Ghana and as Edinburgh busa for our Ghana Lemfi no be you see Lemfi any equita best rate on the money transfer market we me send yakomo so and as a bank account so Lemfi can send this car or more cash back so first time so or more cash back use promo code Poleeno Lemfi ever sign amount cash back ama bibia ko so kama pam e the amount and I mean come me babedi no me che say kwa and just watch films on YouTube na ko share betrayer amount for to go so or more very nice story Kone koshe bi na wonso efsun ade bebre efin betrayer sisters o motena mo hia be ma chesa won sempi mi wo mu bi akomi wo mu bi Sikapa and then Ella abna poku akone koshe bi betrayer on Angie's both films on YouTube se akọ na koshe bi well I mean come on I'm here to talk about one or two issues bi a ekoso ewo industry ni dey kan ma me monkofo bi abaso ma me mbo obi ti say Abrowa Mafia me bo na baso me bo Emilia Abrobe abaso me boguda of Amagana TV abaso na mabo Kojon Kasalewe abaso na mabo Dr. Like so abaso any omo boama industry no jane na so ababesi this time me busa Ghana ban say the government of Ghana to whom it may concern they also share ema movie industry ekonanim they also share ema the showbiz industry ekonanim no or no na letter we eko e dey amanom that person and as some ministry no are they paying attention to the Ghana movie industry? This is my question. Me bisa aban say, and to whom it may concern, stakeholders or beer or Ghana has said, more pay attention to Ghana movie industry now. Your highest Ghana movie industry no egu because you don't see this. You don't say you say you premier movies the Ghana movie industry egu. Sana man for but I'm telling you, sir, Ghana movie industry for now, ejuma no ejina na so ankasa ebo adwuma pa ejana na so gidigidi se ponko bia ye ko Anansi Film Village ponko bia ye hu no ejina na so te se ponko bia japade no chale industry ni jana na so pa o nanso minim say ayaban o say stakeholder bi o say hwan o no wetin pay industry or pay attention to the Ghana movie industry because as I'm talking to you now projects are echo so now in the Ghana movie industry no ano again to say me no ka say chinchin try or she konongo in room baby and as Crofin village and I all check Katumba one of the powerful movies eba beto Ghana this time no koshe costume chinchin try or no personally individual producer artistica aye costume wa o hwe costume ka say e bia gladiators any a Spartacus and how they compare movie chinchin atwa no very nice story with powerful costume very nice location and location na o twa adwuma no so kra no enyo individual bi na set location no enti me catch aban ne say ana me catch Ghana say ye ntwe se ye be set a film village kakraka bi wo baabi ansana yakase oh Ghana we have a film village we have individuals we on one kasa set up film village we are expecting the stakeholders and the government say omo ankasa enkono nkomo sponsor na yem build this film villages no kojo kasa le wen e wo one chinchin atwa e wo bi obomofo fuma way back of obomofo anansikrom konongo very nice location on hilltop mountain top when was set up a film village e ka ban ne betimi akọ na okobusa no fuma e dey na ohia o ha kojo kasa film village dey na ohia chinchin atwa film village na ohia ohine iri mesese du o film village dey na ohia oh ye hia bibi se hostel aye be ye adwuma o hodoma ane ye bre ye nkofo koda hotel ye boka ejiensi hostel bi maye ne yenye bar bi wa ha yenye restaurant bi wa ha yenye bibi se nti se ye ba ne ye be ye adwuma na se 1 year akra na ye wo be bia ye beda ye wo nsu aye benom what I say yenye mini bia some dispensary bia so bi ho first aid bi ya providing nyina dia amawo film village ho eno betimi abo industry ni bebre because yenye ntie sa aban ne say or be ye film village oh baby ama no ehon se bebre this time no individually some people are doing it so ke say stakeholder bi anasa aban no nko sponsor sankofo e no set up bibi mfa mo na nko fanya adwuma no cause adwuma wo mo ye this time no ano dey they are fighting to put Ghana on the movie market our world ne obi on say Ghana adwuma say ne ye hwe kwadwo kasa le we adwuma wo ye on frame me de but me de me ka wanse me hu say wo ye adwuma but maintain nkanti no minim bebi adwuma no ekoso but me bebi abegina ni niama kakra mahu no oh ye adwuma hey you see the story of Burkina Faso the president of Burkina Faso Ibrahim Traoré I didn't twa movie which costume akojon kasa le we aye it tells you say Ghana for industry nguye ne nia brese o person ye dem omo ye adwuma I dey keep the game no up but abana kasa no ye who support or the movie industry you won't support abandon the movie industry because individual we share adwuma nkofo ye ya adwuma select the name Ghana because so be also kojon kasa lewen atwa Ibrahim Traoré na trend ya ebema man for say what movie is this because me who so be a movie so far as me just see there me who so be a movie what you so the Burkina Faso story no the movie bia chinchin try akakalito travel all over the world ama manfo ni ba movie ni so amanfo ba movie ni so a yebusa se ekọ hen eye Ghana your producers ba mo ye adwuma wo Ghana na mo se ya adwene koso oba Angie's boat films me as a producer adwuma me ye wo ho nya adwuma ketwa Angie's boat films on YouTube ye twa powerful nice stories nipa ye adwuma omombo tom sika wo copy location ko timi bressa as na onya location senka aban no me na nya ba industry we ho na se wo pe baby dia ye movie you go there me pese be twa movie we na mo me here location we na bia ye obi and I say let a free ministry no akosa place and say oh say this production ye pe ha say e production we eno no betimi abo amanfo bi ejeja omo edifice bi bia chances bi the amount producers e dey aye adwuma because say open be aye adwuma ho bre atam so twi camera kra kogina kuma se mo sisi ye ba be catch say close your camera patch ye use camera ha better your phone there ye mama dey atwa but ye ma onfa camera entwa ha untimi ntwa ye ti ase be say unya letter bi from a powerful source what I say authoritatively unya letter now the kotu baby oh ye be say ye be adwuma ha that say okay any bo beti yanka omo approval na kan obetimi nya nema bebre e dey aye adwuma no So I'm here today telling the Abani say they should feed their eye. They should open their eyes like Akia Popo Popping. No more function the Ghana movie industry because industry then go here. People need help. I told you remember to be the 2 weeks, 1 month trap. But I want children to 1 month and no break it. No asa ko fans for. No asa de ba be shema say no to abu so akwa akokoye. Ya to aba yi aban foforo amanaba. NPP bre so ekoso, NDC aban ko aban ba. But the movie industry itself no. Attention the man on esua. She do Ghana Music Awards akofante. She nipa pay attention so be Ghana Music Awards. People said that could dress it pamontadia hodo at the red carpet to exhibit themselves for people to know themselves. I'm about Ghana Music Awards. But last year, yeah, Ghana Movie Awards. Why not here? Me busam. What is here Ghana Movie Awards? But also, name say so be a winning Discovery of the Year, or be a winning Best Actor of the Year. But Ghana Movie Awards, no, also here. But do Ghana Music Awards are share sponsors like come. But the movie industry is in the Ghana now. The movie industry no so a boy juma power for Ghana because omo YouTube so share juma ni nyina no movies no mo show movies no mo share omo pay attention to music videos no omo share movies doors no omo share music videos e Ghana especially Ghanaians abroad and even cry ne Ghana for patronize YouTube products crowd more omo tiase share the more it is say help be the industry now e betimi aboa se say me no cause Dr. Like Abraham Mafia, Emilia Brobe, and other squad. UKCC, they are going there to entertain people. Omo quite entertaining for. But Uber Kumasi and also Bagana Hanoma. Project Omo kwa UK no. Stage drama. Stage drama no. Ghana a vibrant biomana. This time outsiders look at stage drama no patum. Eche Ghana no. E do weekender. Unye baby amfa. Si enya theater bi and enya places bi anka stage drama betimi akoso. Every weekend, I even once a month. Gradually, no people will pay attention. They do patronize. Financier, the regional minister, regional minister, Dr. Frank Amako hene. I know CCB auditorium. Someone yana mo hobby. Mu hawa. I'm for patronizing here. KJT Amokola team together with the Kumawood team. No, it's a very nice story. And I'm for stress till the end of the show. So it tells you, say. There were a lot of Ghana Hanoma. You bet me I entertaining and what generative funds kakra there them. Ediaba. It's a stakeholder bit nothing. Say no be a fa Abraham Afene, Chechekumu Dr. Akido Moko UK. Nan kobi so ebisa wa Ghana Hanoma. No first am kofoi every weekend be no ye be party and I say a drama, stage drama. Ye be no ha. Ni even 10 cities and 20 cities. People will go and watch. Ebe boa stakeholder no you earn. And the artists also will earn, and even young customers we will get places to go every weekend. Ebeboa, discover industry. Yes, let's say to him it may concern. Who are this argument na share so share? Among the showbiz industry, no. Ever call the name, especially the movie industry, because the music industry there, I can see say attention kakaya there. Because you have a chance. Ghana Music Awards. I'm paying for you to do Ghana Movie Awards. I enter you. One say, "You're quite good." Share. I'm on Ghana TV. Tyson yaya. What drop episode 1? What drop episode 2? What drop episode 3? Could Tyson yaya? Could you cancel a winner? Only could that Dr. Like you for years or when you're Juma that will come up my Juma. You're pro a Juma Guso Ecoso. But share attention. I didn't Juma Crano. Our form. You're patronizing ye. What I say, but we ain't see and say patronize and a bois. I'm a producer directors. As I know what I say, I assign you. You're both producers in our so more boy Juma, Mama industry more than artists. It's me quite Juma and don't want charge it, or channel call don't charge it. The next day don't want charging to so near Juma. Echo throughout the Manta. Not a week we are charging 500 crampona. It is saying because there were a lot of jobs, employment over the movie industry. The camera guy at the Bionia Juma. Do I sound they be obenya adwuma e PA they be obenya adwuma e what I say e be taxi drivers boat drivers the only car they be obefa car e dey accost so e boama economy ne konanim so yes let's say mum pay attention to the Ghana movie industry because industry ne koso pa sa akra na mo na mu hu a mum re Kumase Monday to Monday adwuma gina na so I'm telling you e dey accost all the time and then you timi ko but Monday to Monday people are working People are working in apartments. So I buy the car because I see apartment in Po. And they see Kumasi, and I buy there. Now say, my price no a moderator. I'm telling you, say every day, you may cost one buying the Kwenyeska. And look at me, buying more crap. I'm telling you, ko. As I make a money. Say, baby, I an apartment. Nanka I buy there because we pay for apartment every day. A big week, every 2 days. Bia you book apartment here, Juma. And you can buy any basis apartment for the movie industry. Over so trust in here. Come here, be bookie. You better swam mama because you're the boy industry, you know. We pay apartment to individuals. Can't afford your apartment to Kumasi, and I'm telling you, sini for general. Now, who are booking the Kobisu Generally? Who you will never know Bisu Rem? It is like a buying a year, Bibis and Asaka, a 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. I buy no swat to Sukaka, may I buy me to be fan chamo, me see a mamo. It's a most monje, oh, bar, to escasse in a fabe, Juma. Cabani Benya, Scabe radio film, income baby beba. And there's opportunity, baby. And the individuals try apartment is very nice. It will be the out. So, Basso Baba Jabba Juma. Ko Nanka ya buy there. And I will be near solely for the movie industry. Yenye kakraka, ni ma bibia unko mubi. Open hospital benyebi, pe police station benyebi. Open market benyebi. In that same area. And kebeti mi aboa. Kebeti mi aboa pa. Because industry a grow. I feel like even more producers subscriber. The young producers don't ban. When you break what champion for no. Because omo pese industry ni be dem. Ebegu. Ye bo bi aba so kojo kasa lewe ni Ibrahim Traore, Ogusucha. Tyson yaya. Ewa Amagana TV. Ko ne ko hwebi. Ko ne ko hwebi subscribe na share man ko fo nyina hwebi. And his boy films betrayer. Eda ho ko ne ko hwebi. Na ko share man fo nyina nya bi nya den. Enhwe chinchire try. Enso ye adwuma try God TV se na adwuma bako ewo DSTV. Red Kingdom. Oh, DSTV, very nice story. DSTV aje. Or say another one, Katumba. Katumba, Dr. Like the Katumba. Or yeah, Juma. I know so cause work on go. Now, boy, or China, Bassa Cornum. Among the few on my them. Eba. Oh, yeah, Juma Nunkwana, here, afraid. We will come there and promote it for you. You ever buy my Ghana phone say also, yeah, Juma. And people should pay attention to what Juma or yes, sir. To him, it may concern. Well, I was our Shaman Ghana movie industry, and to my prefrano. Only this alert way now. Pay attention to the Ghana movie industry. We need more incentives. Now, more money there, and apartment back home, and one will be a issue. And to be say this particular setup, you know, move you over home, way over home. Say, a doors on a affordable. You bring varieties. You bring different types of apartment. You su at the air juma. Different type of locations. You su am at the air juma met me abwa. It is rabbi say. To him, it may concern. Obi biara. Say a company, say an individual. Ye bibi mo ya mo nye en favor the movie industry because a kind of individuals ne bono. Obi obetimi twa kwani sika kra onya. Obetimi twa ni sika kra onya. And so still they are working say omo Ghana movie industry no en conform. Omo boa industry etimi e jana na so. Anyway, we are here to tell you say enuma bebre and because watch out for a lot of works are about the Ghana movie industry. Ubenye bi ahwe ama wani so etimi agena ko yon kasa lewen. And some of Ghana hano. What's how do a Burkina Faso? Ka use maybe a Kufuado nanka fire story. What's how do Burkina Faso? I'll go for Ibrahim Traore and I would hear Juma. Would you try movie? But it's all good. All just it's all good. Eboa, my industry, you know, in a varieties of movies. It's just pay attention to the Ghana movie industry. Provide incentive, make things easy for producers and directors. Niemfanya Juma, Mbwama industry, no, into me and Kodin. The fresh boy Papa J. When him sank a hammy and made it ebaya, made it ever two jar. Mamisha a co-fanty. Ghana from my TV. And I'm Ghana from my TV. Kohona Kohebi. Subscribe and share Ghana from my TV. Kwama Ghana TV. Tyson A. Try God TV and check. It wasn't Yama Dopido or Koyon Kasa and so a Juma. And just watch films on YouTube. Kohona Kohebi. Not subscribe. Bibian Kosokama. Ghana Mbwamo. Na Mboye na more producer directors Obia. Nyamisha Obia. Munguso Anya Juma. Then my mind that's in front of my peace. I'm out.